Ashanti regional minister. And sometimes when you look through the guy, you can see he's dying. He's dying slowly. Psychosis. This Ashanti regional minister is just 36 years. This boy is so wise to the point he has been able to change the Ashanti region. Now, sometimes I blame the Attorney General. But Adom-Otchere shouldn't be working in Ghana. After they started it with me, Kevin Taylor did your Hinatam, we did your 2-4 Kevin Taylor did your Santimatum. The MPP, they have no message. So you see a filthy, dirty, such smelly fool like Paul Adom-Otchere. You know what he has done. Connive with people, lie about people, snitch about people. They are pained because the young man has been able to expose the foolishness in the MPP in the Ashanti region. This Peter Teria guy, Paul Adom-Otchere didn't post that to the TV. So Peter Teria and this, it is Godfred Dame, and they are working for Godfred Dame. Paul Adom-Otchere, he wants to defend a criminal lawyer like Godfred Dame. Akwana 3940. Godfred Dame is a thief. You know he's a criminal. What the Peter Teria boy wrote, they know it was true. Srim Sai is 1,000 times intelligent than you. Fool. You could not pass your law exams. After all these things, the
NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
Kevin Taylor, Nini Twasere. Oh. Kevin Taylor, Nini Twasere. Oh. Kevin Taylor.
This is the MPP's third national chairman. Right now, on the national chairman of the NPP. This is MPP national chairman. What do you show so that? This is the NPP. Tumino. National chairman. We need the party name. Some free the mobile. The whole MPP. This is their national chairman. And then they want to make a country my him for no. And then they want to make a once. This is the national chairman of a political party that wants power. This is the national chairman. And yes, the national chair. This is the Sala. This is the Frederick, the Derek. This is the NPP Derek. Oh, I see free the new buy. What to be free the new da? Some can be actually be that. What is some be man? What can be say actually be that? This is the national chairman of the NPP. Now Ghana for Nkwa. Now young people in Ghana, you want them to respect this party. Nobody in the party has been able to come out to say no. Now you see it. Almost sorry, Amoakohene atem. And right now, their campaign message, Amoakohene did asantefo him for atem. Mudi mwajimi o. Right now, no, almost starting on munya defense. We did your hinatem. We did asantefo him for atem. Yet now, Kuma Morisampa catch the Ghana for. Or tonight, chairman won't to me take radio in the TV so. Eka sa asantefo him for nina ya jantra for Morisampa. Okaso 2-4 to the last or he was santimemo. I him for no more santimemo no more jantra for. You did not feel offended. And the mood because Munya Bibianca no Akosua Kuma, Akosua menu Akosua Kuma. Essence and horn on the nam. Essence and ho. But Umia de Bayan Quine, Siatia. They be also rubber Umia fee, no di disamirechi. It's your name essence and ho. Akosua Kuma, Akosua menu. But party Mumuni Munyansa. Oh, send on name essence and ho. Bibia, where could you hinatem? Oh, wakodia asante hinatem, wakodia asantima hina. Morisampa na TV so catch asante hine. Ekachire mampon hene, ekachire eye de bantama hene, ekachire himfo mo asantimemu nyina so mo ya jantrafo. Omo fa nkofo yerenom. The whole MPP Obia was not, no one was offended. And the whole national chairman opens his mouth on national TV to make such a statement. In the MPP right now, no, they don't have any message. They don't. Yesterday, 2 days ago, me usa Paul Adom-Otchere in the near sea Peter Teria ho ene eye Ashanti regional minister. And sometimes when you look through the guy, you can see he's dying. Can't you see Paul Adom-Otchere is dying? He's dying slowly. Can't you people see psychosis? Can't you people see Paul is dying? Can't you see he's going mad? Can't you people see it? Itayana muhusana en hamo. You get somebody like Paul Adom-Otchere. When you watch him on TV, don't you feel embarrassed? Don't you people feel ashamed? This Ashanti regional minister is just 36 years. This boy is so wise to the point he has been able to change the Ashanti region. You people cannot just understand the say, Adana Santini nim nyansa. They don't get it. And then Ashanti regional minister, Amoakohene. So it is a big news. Now, sometimes I blame the Attorney General, but Adom-Otchere shouldn't be working in Ghana. He shouldn't. So right now, the argument, the conversation, they started it with me. Kevin Taylor did your hinatum, we did your 2 for term, Kevin Taylor did your sentimentum. The MPP, they have no message. So you see a filthy, dirty, such smelly fool like Paul Adom-Otchere. You know what he has done. A desperate, ungrateful bastard, a Bangladesh. Filthy gossip who does nothing but just connive with people, lie about people, snitch about people. They are pained because the young man has been able to expose the foolishness in the MPP in the Ashanti region. So you see them ranting. This Peter Teria guy, Paul Adom-Otchere didn't post that to the TV. So Peter Teria and this, it is Amoakohene, Godfred Dame, and they are working for Godfred Dame. Paul Adom-Otchere, he wants to defend a criminal lawyer like Godfred Dame. Godfred Dame is a thief. Everybody knows. He has no credibility as a lawyer. Akwana 3940. Godfred Dame is a thief. You know he's a criminal. They are hurt that young people are now exposing their criminality. They know nothing about law. They know nothing. What the Paul Teria boy wrote, Peter Teria boy wrote, they know it was true. Paul Adom-Otchere came, he messed up. He knew. Said, you know, the law makes it clear. CMC, case management, it is done privately between the judge, the accused, and the prosecutor, or in this case, the Attorney General. Case management, and they say, Omo eti omo wase ewo kukuom, ansa na waba court. And the law states it clearly. There's been different or series of times, the accused people have signed witness statements. Into case management, as simple. Yeah, Baba court Thursday or Monday. Yeah, you never see a tea and once one krata, you can once more court. So the judge sits. The accused person sits. The prosecutor or the Attorney General sits. What happens is, prosecutor and as Attorney General comes to paper A, do you have it? Or say, oh, I have it. Do you have problems with it? No. Okay, so no problems, sir. Not that one chain. Paper B, accused person, do you have the same paper I've given you? Say yes. Have you read through it? Do you have a problem with it? No. It is put on the side. Until they go through all the documents. Then they call something adding. That is a witness statement. Then they have other documentation, sir. When they start to do investigations, omutumidi account. You get what I mean? Now, those ones are not static. Basically, when the Attorney General, even in the quest or trying to investigate the matter behind the scenes, onya information, the law itself tells them, say, they have to even share it with the accused person. Do you understand what I mean? Now, Attorney General has to share those documents with the accused person. Now, when they go into court, what happens? And they say, technically, the judge knows about it. Inti witness statement na the prosecutor accused na it is signed. Now, in this case, your friend is saying, the Attorney General court can say. Judge the say why they were Johnny case no prosecuted for 2 weeks. No, it was simple. The reason why the Porteria stated say judge what he did was wrong, and they say Omuko case management. No, there were 2 witness statements. Sebio, there were 3 witness statements. 1 was signed, 2 wasn't signed, and the law states it clearly. Even Chairman went to me himself. Time and I didn't ask no. Watna box him as sign a witness statement twice or 3 times. It is done. Say witness statement when they are doing the case management. Man sign no mura court na ye case na. Now say on sign side, they can make the accused person sign that that witness statement, and it can be used. Now CMC is normally done by within about 4 or 5 days cry. So there's more time. Now this judge, starting case, and 3 witness cases. I don't even want to talk about the other ones. 3 witness cases. Now one has been signed. Aka 2. Judge Autia Kunyum. The moment the accused is there or sitting in the box, the law says that the accused can sign for the prosecution to go on. The judge just jumps up and says, because 1 out of the 3 witness statements, and he has signed it, judge is a case for 2 weeks. And to be very fair, cases per se criminal cases, the judge is not supposed to take that action. And I'm talking about Hanan buffer stock case, So the judge comes to court, 3 witness statements. You sign 1 pay, and the law also says the accused witness statement that accused can sign for the case to go on. So for a judge to say because only 1 is signed, I'm going to basically postpone the case for 2 weeks. The judge took a very wrong decision, and that was basically what Porteria was reporting on. Paul Adom-Otchere TV, so I went to mention a law degree, 1 called the law school. Jimmy, this is basic. And this is the first time an Attorney General Sai has gone to court where 2 witness statements have not been signed. What is so unique about this? There's nothing unique about this. There is nothing so extraordinary about this. Even Chairman Untumi, when he was in court, when he was sitting in the box, he signed witness statements in the box. So you call CMC or case management. Now say 2 witness statements were not signed. The law still permits the accused in the box to sign it, which has happened several times. So why do you make a fuss out of it? Paul Adom-Otchere TV so Jimmy no home. This is the first time Srim Sai is 1,000 times intelligent than you. Fool. You could not pass your law exams. You are basically a failure. This is not something you need to have a PhD to understand. This is basic. It is Godfred and ultimately in the this uncle Paul Adom-Otchere because Paul does not work. Paul, that is what he does to live. Case management. It takes like 5 days to do case management. And I'm a boy. Yaba court. That's a document means sign here. MINAɗs say witness statement and sign here. The accused can still sit in the box and sign it. What is so unique about this? I didn't see that. The question we need to be asking a judge and say, if that can be done by the accused in the box, why did he end the case and say 2 weeks time? So we just have to go back and sign the entire 2 weeks. No. Abra MINAɗs said, so be now witness statement cry after case management yan sign. That person should sign because Chairman want to me. So Hanan case, this is what happened for the judge to do what? For the judge to postpone the case for 2 weeks, which does not make sense. But you see Godfred, Paul Adom-Otchere comes to stand on TV. Jimmy Ananta, the gay ass bitch like that. Oh, we have not seen some before. Srim Sai, the first time in the history of Ghana, as Attorney General goes to court, he did not sign the witness to Jimmy. He's a failure. And yes, this young man, basically the job he's doing, Godfred the criminal could not do. Godfred was going out shopping for judges. We know. Godfred he went out and he shot for judges. At a point, Supreme Court, I caught him. My name appeared in a Supreme Court deliberation. Godfred shops for judges. A very daft, weak, stupid fool who basically abused power in Ghana. Now, Paul Adom-Otchere went to pass law exams. You are coming to explain court proceedings to us. Oh, bottom. A fool like that. This Ashanti regional minister, just 36 years, the things he has been able to achieve. A dirty man like you have not been able to achieve it. So these things will not change anything. These things, we know you people. The Deputy Attorney General is one of the finest brains in Ghana legal settings today. And Paul Adom-Otchere, he can put you in a room and lecture you. Srim Sai can employ you and teach you to become a lawyer. Srim Sai between what's not them are your classes. You are fake, you are weak-minded, you are just a fool. You want to try and intimidate Peter Terria. That Peter Terria boy is more smarter than you. Because you don't even have the right to speak on law in Ghana. You are always lying. Such a filthy liar. You pay them back with insult. A fool like you, Jimmy 4, Ye chi wo ko she wo ka kire Ghana for say asantefo ahemfo and the tue sika e pa acha me you Jiminy, you are making them look like criminals. You Paul Adom-Otchere, you are the one who came to tell us say ye chi wo ko she no OSP chi no asantefo ahemfo omo ya kronfo na wo ka kire so omo no mo you. You are supposed to be banished. Osanka odu Kuma say ye chi utwa wuti unimu nyansa. You basically threw Otumfuo under the bus. So Otumfuo to Kumasi and a yacho kronfo one crying on in a patch say you. A filthy fool like you. Jimmy for be do yeria and there were no one that them bakum. You are not able to speak on these things. A stupid fool. And we sit in Ghana and basic things. Srimsai has been consistent. Srimsai has shown. He's not going to stop going to court. He's going to be there and he's going to report legitimately. That your stupid show you are doing is going nowhere and nobody is going to care. Jimmy Dodo, Matna Ghana, Madada Ghana for, and when they get the opportunity, Asantemai Council, look at this small boy, look at me say Asantemai Council, na momanko for the Muchichi form. Paul Adom-Otchere na TV so can say, more Asantemai Council, Oko we are there children, more Asantemai Council, na mo pacho. You people could not tell this dwarf, this disease of a human being. Say he's embarrassing Otumfuo say to two. And we sit in Ghana and and they want to divert attention. Nobody's going to allow anybody to do that. We are going to stick to the basics. We are going to make sure the right things are said. We are going to make sure nobody intimidates nobody. Amoakohene. Nobody. He will do the job. Namo MPP for Ashanti Regional Minister Kwasia Denum to say Opro. Asembe no anka ncha Asante for Asante hene. Dia no anka.
Sa akamba ye wo ye sa yi beto platform so no. Akamba me kam wati. It's in for money rollers in the Shah Memuasi since 1981 to 2001. And tough for no more Ghana and dear Panama we are messing for. And tough for Sikaya free rolling stamp when it Muslim for ya sign. And you be a symphosian at Yakunan name you know. Liman any a Mahama. Omudia Kunyan, dear no much my a double Mahama to be in the same war. O akamba akwasira wakodira okuro muslimo okuro muslimo yanka o se wa ya jaji nka mo kan kran sebi ntafo no fa ni munyansa munya sika mabaka south mumfa jichiri bukuro na mo sore ekuro ma tantantai esimfo amaba south nyansa ne ko bukuro akọ pese o secretary dio se organizer dia a school for no gina na yenya baby na efi titi esimfo no. Apart from the woman for no move sister than papa no. And for the sister than papa beam. Amu jaba nyo and tafo se na di Ghana kunya. Mahama bedi mfie na no. Sika we on fa mo asum me nsa nyina no. Mahama first ka no anka se on fa ko si hotel Dubai. And confirm ne ade nya se tuko. Sika di ma se on fa mo asum no. The whole Ghana ye japade ye nya ne se fo na dis kana boa mo. Mo se fo na mo titi sire mo ho no. Asante Frante, aye dokoko, and the bread dokoko no, as and former son your mom's scholarship. Listen, for man quite a moko school free. I am not to buy na. Why I said no, I see interest will be a typical be. Oh, I can't bow your deeds and quasasamo. What's your judge or buy and deal with you more? Mobile Mabakanka, Mabaka Kumasi. Since 79 to 2001. How many years? 20-something years ago. Namu runs a symphony runs the boys. Come back, but she been and kutam. Then I'm really years more. Namu self from class someone. Moke Kaze Kufuado. 1 year then, Mammo. And therefore the answer the moon will be done. I come back now. Who do you have a tussle? 18 some fool also. I'd be a quacamo and cassim for them. Now some now back a more book must one. It would do so. I'm why entertainment. Ya won panasa na momo wurakrum nkwa sesa no nsam fo amodie no muka zanta fo de ba so so bi ya to aba na se na ntafo no to kwa sesa mo akwa na moto odie no aka mbe to odi se nkura sesem no mo ba sesa asante fo na di akonwa so se ana aka fo na di akonwa so mfie aduonu ba ko ese de modi mfie aduonu so no ka Ghana nyina ka obia ye ka behwe ntafo mo so ade mo ana aseye no. This
is what you people have to talk about. Ashanti Regional Minister, nobody spoke. see the pain in Kofowe, Amoakohene say, Amoakohene onye teni. They cannot insult him. Omutimi fan the tribe in dinner term. Amoakohene onya huneni. Omutimi fan the tribe in dinner term. Amoakohene onya hausa ni, onya kroboni, onya nkrani. Amoakohene onya dagomba ni. Amoakohene ya santini. And then ya omoyano. Because Omutimi can say, regional minister, teni abua. They can't say it. It hurts their heart. Paul Adom-Otchere in the group, they cannot tell Amoakohene say, nkrani abua. Because onya nkrani. The MPP, including Paul Adom-Otchere, Amoakohene onya huneni abua te same. They cannot insult him using his tribe. Amoakohene yotu forward for to Omutimi dinner tem. So every day, I saw my bottom. They say things. And it's right now, Paul, he is so mean, bitter, because the boy is doing better. The boy is just 36 years. Paul, adia this Amoakohene boy achieve. Paul do the point. Ni agent konye bianca Paul gonte Ghana and can go say yesu. It is pain. It is hatred. It is anger. This boy has achieved so much. Oya santini to mu twindi na tem. Omu said omu na tem. Because oka say asantini abua we didn't want them. Oka say akani abua we didn't want them. So they are hurt. They are pained. And when you see Paul Adom-Otchere go and talk about Peter Terry actually be or court, it is simple, my friend. Paul Adom-Otchere was born. Sometimes I can teach him law for him to pass his law exams. Paul Adom-Otchere is daft. CMC, who doesn't know CMC? Who doesn't know disclosures? General disclosures. When you go for the CMC meeting, it is the accused, it is the prosecution, or the attorney general. They sit, exchange, go through documentations. Everybody agrees. When we go to court, these are the documentations we are going to stick to. General disclosures. Maybe attorney general or the accused doing his investigations, he finds more things. He shares with the accused and say, take and also look in. General disclosures are part of CMC. When they go to court, and at the end of the day, when we are in court, and even some of the witness statements during CMC meeting was not signed, in court, the witness, whenever he gets in the box, he can sign that witness statement for proceedings to go on. Why would a judge say that, even though that is something we can do, he will say he's adjourning the case for 2 weeks? The judge needs to be questioned. Because in Ghana law, I don't need to be in law school to understand these things. Evidence Act, this is what it says. Evidence rules. Under Ghana's Evidence Act 1975, that is the NRCD 323, a witness can give evidence orally or in writing. Then it goes to written evidence, like statements or affidavits, must be signed and or sworn. So basically, when the accused is in a box, after taking an oath, he can sign the witness statement. So what's the big deal here? Chairman Wontumi did it. Kwasiafo, you want to act like you are intelligent. So wait, Jimmy. Now, this is what allows witness statements and affidavits to be valid in court. So the moment the witness statement, let's say, during the CMC meeting, they did not sign those witness statements. The moment the accused gets in the box and swear an oath or take an oath, he can sign this witness statement for it to be used in court. So judge didn't ask a question. Why did he say that even though something like that can be done, why did he make a decision, say he's going home for 2 weeks? For what? For us to go back and sign just 2 witness statements, but in the box, the accused can sign a witness statement. Now, Paul Adom-Otchere, Jimmy, you think you can intimidate Peter Terry? You can't. That stupid Lasco TV now, Nasco TV, or Lasco TV now, it does not make you intelligent. Where Jimmy? And you people cannot change anything. We know your inside. We know what you represent. You are a thief. You are a lotto forecaster. You are basically intelligent to those NPP people who think like South Africans. But real intelligent Ghanaians, you cannot use this comedy to fool them. Those Vietnam suits now were nice. They jantre ni bema. Udim kofo yirim wechin kwasia ya cho several times. Uhu fin so pro. Uhu nyenyenyan and outigana na Jimmy. No sense. You think you know law. You know nothing. People don't respect you because you are born. They know. I went to the same Legon with you. You are not better than anybody. And if Godfred is going to hide behind you to fool, we will let him understand. He's one of the most criminal attorney generals we've had in Ghana. Godfred is a real. You people think you can save him? You people think you can stand on TV, wear some Vietnam suits, and foolishly protect Godfred Dami's dirty image? Godfred Dami is supposed to be in jail. That dirty guy, he needs to be in jail. You see, Omotina Kroma, yeka Most of yeah, and I heard Paul Adom-Otchere say, Amoakohene has disrespected Asante Council. Asante Council has been disrespected by the MPP than anything. At the Asante Council, senior Asante Council bar from the MPP, the Asante Council bar from Paul Adom-Otchere, a fool like that, came in front of Asante Council and told Asante or the two for 10:30 to Sakwara. Ekacho two for say, or ye Kumasi Airport, International Airport, or Motum for Fran and Tomati Sakwara. Mampon Hinesma Efran and Tomati Sakwara. Bantama Hinesma Efran and Tomati Sakwara. Paul Adom-Otchere made them sit at Kumasi Airport and told them he is changing Kumasi Airport into an international airport. In Kwasiafo, you have forgotten Paul Adom-Otchere. And then basically flew one plane, Ethiopian airline, a mid-plane, all the way to Kumasi Airport and told Asante for say, oh, this is an international airport. Kwasia wejina TV, so people should respect. Yeah, come on, bu Asante for nimtia. I disrespect Asante Council. Paul Adom-Otchere. Kwasia, he's not even supposed to come to Asante region. Yeah, probably I disrespect you too for what disrespect Asante Council. When one was so young for a MPP and Paul Adom-Otchere. A fool like that should be slaughtered in Kumasi because I am for a kesero do me good 10:30 kwara. Or they are him for be good 10:30. It is a twice. Say Kumasi Airport is an international airport. International flight men land ho. Omutina Kumasi ki kan sem we chire mu. Munyina mu ntuma nkasa.
Ahemfo na mu drag out for no ewe tama utu na ma yam. Mo so mu problem se wi. Ahemfo muti Kumasi da otu fo ne mu kasa ewe for kono mu mu be bo. Muto Asante muti mi Asante chiefs. Mo ahemfo na mu Asante region na problem se any yama mu ni otu fo kadre Asante I frubi and we are conform to assassin many papa community. Asante I frubi and we are conform to assassin many papa community. Asante I frubi and we are conform to assassin many papa community. Everyone for sika, everyone for gas, everyone for yerimu. Nyama muti Asante region. Ahemfo I to galamse. Is someone mudiwo Asante region. We vie na mo be fa chama hutu mi. Awo ka chama hutu mi asam. Asante ahemfo and we are conform to assassin many papa community. Everyone for sika, everyone for gas.
Chairman, I want to be radio notice or Tina Sukas Asam. Foolish people. Most of them are Asante Council. And with the Asante, Mesoya Santini, but you'll see. Eden, a branch to the Casatia Asante Council, Lancasa. What's not Ghana? Not a Paul Adom-Otchere Kwasiawe, Obe Boo two for him, Tia, Eddie Dias Asante Council at them. Oh, who Asante for him for some young cross for. Paul Adom-Otchere saw them as villagers. Of your craft who played by Bakatre or two for him for say I had an international airport because for one another Dimba and Fantoso. Plain man is you. Kwasia when in Ghana, Edim Wagro, Jimmy Fuan Hunya Jantrenia Yabonidia. He is dying. Can't you see? He looks pale. He looks dead. The guy is a walking dead. He's going through a lot of trauma. The Paul you know is going to die. Or Brett, he cannot sleep. He is traumatized. That guy is a dying soul. Can't you people see through him? Why is it when you're 8 or a dirty fool like that? A very stupid guy. Now, no, it's done. MPP for South Africa for South Africa for MPP now more convince you omono South Africa for omono Jimmy. But yani enkroma na kire nyansa ti enyamwa. Na point na no kakra se ka kire se ye kwa me nkroma no. Yade de nkroma ne som no. Wona onim de osoma som, ba ye ne som nkroma nyansa. Enti yane so person convince the South Africa for MPP for convince the South Africans because they are the ones who are foolish. By yane nyansa for no, we are not going to allow any food to distract anything. No. In kwasi asamonkwa. Now look at this. This is a story and a Friday. Team Munjame Kakra. Christian Council to seek copy of amended anti-LGBTQ plus bill for legal review. Christian Council said, Omope eye amended bill. Christian Council for say they want a copy of the amended anti-LGBTQ plus bill for legal review. Christian Council, is it a court? Is Christian Council a legal association? Ghana yet Ghana and Kwasia, someone kwani this wa Ghana. Christian Council said, "Yeah, mom amended the LGBTQ plus bill. No, no money dang. Mungo who lawyer. Now for court. Mo bottom. You are the people delaying the passage, the signing of the bill. The Christian Council, I'm coming to Ghana for her. Mo person mo sign the bill now. Munya radio Christian Council, they are against the bill. The Christian Council, on a normal day, you should see the Christian Council on top of the roof. At least the bill has been signed, has been passed. The Christian Council should be on the president that signed this one. What is the Christian Council doing? We should give you the amended bill. What can you do? You are just an association. You are not backed by any constitution. Nothing. You are just what is it? Makola Tomato Women's Association. You are just an association. You are a council. Nobody gives a hoot about you people. You are hypocrites. Sometimes in your head, you have shit. Nothing. And Ghana for 1 year, Sanko for way and how many MPP for Kuma, per se bill ni bedroom president wo. Now league you when we give you the bill and you go and hire a lawyer, the lawyer should go and sue parliament. More bother mong. If you are going to hire a lawyer to come and do what? For the lawyer to interpret the amendment and to stop parliament. Who the hell in Ghana can stop parliament? Parliament has done its job. And you see a funny thing, we all have people who are representing us in parliament. I don't go say for some council, association, they are different. Me who say a Muslim they don't agree with some but them. We are going to pass the bill. We are going to sign it. The president is going to sign it. Whether you're a Muslim, you're a Christian, we all have our representative in parliament. Yamo more parliament and omo represent here. Omo na makokukum. Omo yina say this is what they want and they have passed the bill. Nobody is better than anybody. No fools should come and act as if they are more important than Nipa no mugu parliament. Omo representing me and myself and you. Whether you're a Christian, you're a Muslim, you are a Buddhist, you are a traditionalist, they represent us. So as far as they represent us and they have made a decision, no foolish association or council can say we want a lawyer to look through. A lawyer to look through and do what? Who is powerful than parliament? I know Jimmy Young. You people always find ways to try and delay our progress. Ghana for us a pass a bill, no? As far as I know, the minority leader was there, the majority leader was there, the MPP caucus were there, the NDC caucus were there, the people who basically sponsored the bill were there, and the bill was passed. Finito and gracia. Ain't nobody, no fool can call themselves, I am this council, I am this group, I am this association, I want to see the 30 day and then amended. What bored them? Amendment. Do you understand amendment? Even you, the Christian council, sometimes you amend your own constitution. You have a problem with parliament amending a bill. You people have been a distraction. Criminals in the name of Asofwani Ade Kronon Kwan. Debia yetiem, ye tia trumu, ye mpe trumu, ye pa abanya, obesan, abanya so aba, wa pass bill no, president san, amasa afem otu nkwasi afom kofa lawyer. Na lawyer ben ni organ onim nyansa chen parliament. Lawyer ben na Ghana onim nyansa chen parliament. Yani Ghana for parliament ye nyina ka adwuna bom a pass bill amodem kwasi asem kofa lawyer on be sue wan lawyer ni be sue Ghana said dey mo ntia ase enti se mo man ntia ase ye ntumi enko yenim mo bodam. That is why sometimes people like us, we don't respect you people. You feel so entitled. Old men, hypocrite. Mo pese ye nyina ye nya de na ye duru baby pedi ye gina ye ntia ase. Now what is Christian council? What is Christian council? What is Christian dia? What the fuck is Christian council? What does it represent? Whose interests? Why in the Kotana Christian council? For what? What does it do? I did at the bread Ghana. Most sorry, I'm most of you, most sorry, you go. Roma, sorry, Crampo is Jina and Akoso. Matter is quite a menka. Into Christian council is what? Master, I was on time from Kwasa, some Kotana baby and Buya mine. I am where most of what planet to be soon as Samba Mabakembi, Yentiemo. Most one of the small girls echi. Mwana we are sorry sika. Mwana yachiche musabo krono. We have come to parliament, all our representatives, they showed up in parliament, they voted, they passed the bill, the president needs to sign it. Now you see the story. Here's another one. Roman 4. We want what Ghanaians want. President of Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference reacts to new anti-LGBTQ bill. What Ghanaians want is what Ghanaians did in Parliament, Roman 4. Because Omo pass a bill in Parliament, they represent us. You people feel too entitled. Go to Roman 4, sorry. Gay, Akosua, Roman 4. Yeah, sorry, what we are saying, promote to gay, Roman 4. Come to DC. Roman, sorry, waha. A LGBT flags na aje wafa monje din enko enim enya moni Roman for the coordinate bibia. Huh? You want what Ghanaians want. I understand. You want what Ghanaians want. Ghanaians want this bill passed. And into the called parliament called just say personal. So the people who in parliament no more Ghana for every MP in that parliament room or pass the bill no more represent Ghana for. So what you want is what we have given you. We have given ourselves the bill. Bill no yenyina de amaya ho enti unless say you people are not Ghanaians unless some free baby neighbor but say mo pe the Ghana for pa dem catch them with all due respect yani Ghana for na near parliament no after your marking question pay you not represent Ghana for ayarega no represent Ghana for ahia for no represent Ghana for in trum for jo trum di for no all represent Ghana for members of parliament no nyina represent Ghana for. So what we want is what we got. The Honorable House has passed the bill, and we support it because the Honorable House they represent us. You want what Ghanaians want? The Ghanaians went to Parliament and they said they want this. Oh, how on the same? De biamu pesca. Roman for one also gave for also change Roman for. What's some free person? Now. Yadamu jinem Atacking or your MPP lawyer or say anti-LGBTQ bill is duly passed. I believe it is too late in the day to reverse it. Atacking our parliament ache. Onu said there's nowhere in this world that you pass a bill ade chia you see sign bill no enye dwuma bi mo say mo amoka sa bebrebe e ka se bill ni amend no e na de no parliament a pass no ya pass ewi. Or your MPP for lawyer penny. Now sat to parliament over 30 years. Or see a pass it. At the end of the day, no. Mama yanko nim Atacking omunim. We mo omunim no krana debia no mu Jimmy. Atacking say onim no krapa ba Jimmy and a kronunti. Debia no person be kind of kre. But for some reason, because he does not like Edien, a MPP for no omode ne client ko shebuninti. Se see an why na just be kind of kre. Ope penyini a we Jimmy kakra politics Atacking and wa kind of kra chire mo. Or say Deda mo yen ensesa bibia na me parliament. Ya yes I dey we sa bill na ya pass ye wie. Dede na mo ye it is too late. It's too late. And one boy, it's too late. Yeah, come voice na say. When you say, miss ya bosswa, obiaji mi abosu. Minim to me Ghana nyuna na it's too late. Akwa voice. It's too late. Everywhere I say, it's too late. Yeah, Atacking has say, ya pass it. Into what Jimmy and Abaka say amendment and ya pime view, ya report, no ya report. You can't do anything. Ya pate any s born on my report. Asa, untuminya hoshi. Into it's too late. Besides, get me, it's too late. Me, I'm a musician, Papa. I some voice. It's too late. Besides, get me, it's too late. Obia Jimmy Abosso. I got my shall when the shares all to me now, my money when you think because me as a below me too nana style. It's too late. It's too late. Ah, kwa voice na I mean no witi kakranguso. Witi buame. Wallahi crunch, wallahi. Witi buame kum. Witi. It's too late. I always said that. It's too late. Obia Jimmy Boss. And there is me, but that's get me. It's too late. More but down. Ya pass here we. I feel I'm way amendment na the end. Ya pass the credit whisker. Yes, get me, it's too late. Now, I'm mentioning LGBT issue, no, yeah. Now, saying wiki, yes, in Kofu, good parliament, almost some year, and you're from Africa, no, Mozambique has announced its abstention from the adoption of the Africa Charter on Family Sovereignty and Values, citing logistical and legislative rescheduling constraints. The decision was communicated in a letter to Speaker Albert Bagman and read at the conference by Who West MP Emmanuel Bezra. But this one idea of Ghana almost says at the end of the African Parliament to fight aggressive lobby. Where Moses for amweni so kasa me wo se ominimu nyina wo tietiem emfa. Mameka bibinchiramo. Anti-LGBTQ campaigner Moses for Amweni calls on African Parliament to fight aggressive lobbying by UN and other international agencies for LGBTQ activities on the continent. Mameka bibinchiramo. You see what they are doing in Parliament? That Africa Parliament is discussing the fight against anti-LGBT. Hey, you are wasting your time. Moses, I love you. One of the people are interested in boxing in Ghana. Moses, you are wasting your time. That thing people are doing in Parliament is a total waste of time. It will not change anything. Let me tell you. You see, Africa as a continent, we are so vulnerable. The reason why we are vulnerable is that we have not been able to get to that point where we have even accepted each other as a unit, as a continent. What you people are fighting for is way beyond your reach. We have something called African Union. It can't even put Africans together to reason for once to protect Africans. The African Union. We are in Africa. We have a union that cannot even speak for Africans. Togolese, Nigerians, Ghanaians, and Burkinabes, just barriers. We cannot even think about working without using physical barriers as obstruction. We cannot even do these simple things. Let me tell you, when it comes to LGBTQ issue, it is not about United Nations forcing anything on Africa. It is Africans wanting it. Moses, you are wasting your energy. The people you were sitting in that room with, they are there, they are waiting for money. They don't care your nonsense. So let me tell you, LGBTQ, that is happening in Africa. Africans, majority of Africans have embraced it because one, they get a lot from it. Let's face the reality. Most of these countries that are absenting themselves from the vote and all that, they see the incentives out there. We as Africans, we have not been able to build the firewalls to let Africans understand that our values as a people, we need to understand that unity and cohesion as one people goes over everything. Because when we are united, when we have the same front, when we have the same ideology, it will be difficult for somebody to infiltrate an organization, an international organization, to infiltrate our leaders, to make them think that when they are giving assistance, they can also give away their pride, their culture, their beliefs and values. No. So at this point, we as Africans, we don't even respect our values. We don't know how important it is to us. Most of these African countries don't even understand their values. They don't respect it. Because you have been made to believe that money comes first. So the things you are saying that Africans should try and stop the UN is the propeller. It is through the United Nations that Africans are able to access money at the IMF. You are talking about a very complex situation. We are talking about African leaders who have most of their their children, their family, studying in America, in Europe, who are getting all the assistance, the freebies. We have African leaders who are having connections, businesses. They are connected in behind the scenes. You cannot just sit in Africa and come to Ghana and sit in Parliament and say, we Africans, let us stop the United. The United Nations is powerful. What we need to do is to first, as countries, as individual countries, we need to accept each other. One, we need to understand that we live on the continent, that we have to understand we need to accept everyone. Secondly, individual countries in Africa, we have our own things we want. We have our own priorities. Remember, until we are able to get to a point where our priorities align, we cannot stop UN or whoever wants to come in and infiltrate and basically sell LGBTQ to us. You can't. Because the priority of Togo is totally different from the priority of Ghana. And I'm saying that because geographically, when we are talking about priorities, there can be general priorities and there can be independent, individual nation priorities. But you see, when you go to Europe, as much as there are so many European countries, they have one aim. They have one priority. That's why one time they can get up and say, we want to use, I'll change our money to euro. Because they know that apart from the individual priorities as a nation, they have a bigger priority as Europeans. But we cannot even sit at a table and have a conversation about Africa using one currency. It can't happen. So first, we need to work on ourselves. Until we realize that working on ourselves is the solution, we can never stop these people infiltrating and downplaying our values. It's a fact. Sometimes we speak too much, we make so much noise. It will not change anything. Most of the people sitting in parliament today speaking grammar. Majority of their wealth is in Europe and in America. They are aligned with the European mentality, the American mentality. It is not about you. It is about what they will get. And what has caused that? What has caused that is that we have even a African Union that is not united. So first, we need to work on ourselves. We need to understand who we are. We need to understand our values. As an African, your first value as an African, not as a Ghanaian. Togolese have their values, they have their culture, they have their customs. Ghanaians have their values, they have their culture, they have their customs. Every single country, they have their own things they like. But one, we have to understand that Africa needs to have an identity, that value, that they can put out as our values. Africans don't have values. We as a nation, as a continent, we don't have values. So anyone can penetrate. So before you people come to Ghana and sit in parliament and say, we are discussing LG, no, you need to first work on ourselves. We need to first be solid, be united. We need to have that conscience that we as a people, what do we believe in? What do we want to protect? When we are able to protect, you see, that's why the Asians, you see them up there, you see Korea, you see Japan, you see, they are there, but their values are very important to them. The moment you lose the value, the people will be able to penetrate. Because the young African does not understand or does not believe in values. No. The young African thinks that today, if I'm involved in this act, it's normal. Because at the end of the day, what are the values that I came to inherit that will make me understand that as an African, I cannot veer out of these values? We don't have it. We are more European and more American than Africans. And Moses, when I see you speak out of passion, I feel bad for you because you are wasting your time. With all due respect to you, it is a waste of time. And we sometimes, you see, we need to be realistic a little bit. The grammar, it's not changing anything. Sometimes when you say these things, people think, Kevin Taylor, you are being, no, I am a realist. I'm very realistic about issues. I'm an African. I grew up in Africa. I know what is happening. These things are just things for people to make money and for people to think they are working. Nothing is working. The fight against this LGBTQ thing, it is not a joke. You people should not think it is a simple fight by speaking grammar and standing and drinking and making noise and speaking. No, it cuts deep. We need to sit back, analyze ourselves, start from the basics, build our values. We need to understand who we are first. We need to understand what we represent. Why some things can hurt the soul of our continent and us as a people. The moment we are not able to do that, this is a waste of time. I'm telling you. And every day we speak, they keep coming. Every single day we speak, they keep coming. And we are seeing the numbers go up. Have the numbers dropped? No. Ask yourself why. It is because we have left the door open and we are speaking through the window. That is our problem. We have left the door open and we are standing talking through the window. At the end of the day, the door is open. Everything is coming in. So sometimes when I see people in parliament making noise and talking to Moses, I know your passion. But You can have the passion. You can be against something, but let me tell you, you are just one person. If the majority don't come together to understand this is what we need to do, it's a waste. This is grammar. If the UN wants to penetrate, come to Africa, take over Africa, it will become easy because of our leaders, because we, the young ones, don't even understand what our leaders represent. The United African Union does not represent anything. Mali and what can have small issues, they cannot even convince Mali. They can't convince Burkina Faso. The UAU is a waste of time. African we cannot even travel Burkina Faso to Ghana without seeing about 20 borders. We are not there yet. We speak grammar too much. We want to act smart. We want to act intelligent. Our ass is open. Let's get it right. There are some things you Ghanaian, when you go to China, you can't do. It's a fact. There are some things you Ghanaian, when you go to Saudi Arabia, you can't do. They have been able to build that. Even though there are some people there who do that behind the scenes, generally, you cannot. And that is what we call value, protecting it. We don't have. We see people come into our continent, our countries, they work, they do whatever they want. There's nothing stopping anybody. There are no restrictions. All that we do is that this year we went to IMF. This year the white man said we are doing good. This year, that is what we want. That we wear suit, Vietnam suit, we walk around, we act as if we are intelligent. Oh, PhD, oh, doctor, oh, went to law school. We are stupid. We basically cannot reason. We are just stupid, we are foolish. And sometimes these things, when you say it, so Kevin don't pay Africa, me pay Ghana sempa. But I'm making no crying and say, yeah, Jimmy. Can you easily spend Ghana money in Togo? Togo here, you cannot spend Ghana money. Can you spend Togolese money in Ghana? Here, you cannot spend Togolese money. But you can move from Germany, you can move from the UK, you can go to Italy, and you have one currency walking through. Ghana, Togo, you cannot spend Ghana money in Togo. You cannot spend Togolese money in Benin. You need to be looking for Forest Bureau. That is what I talk about. There's no value here. Moses, I feel bad for you. You are screaming, it will not go anywhere. I like you, it is not going anywhere. What they are doing in Parliament is a joke. Let me tell you. Inti Atacking Akosua, I say it is too late. And when the Chezo edit also, it's too late. It's too late. Oh, Sofo, oh, share music video. Atadena ya pae na wo hwe no fa so be na benya wo so Sofo. Oh, Sofo. Young girl atonyom. Tie words no, tie advice na wo mu no. Why we ni hyen inti lazy hye na ya pae ho no. Angle no o hwe de wo Sofo wo hwe de na wo je. Sofo atobra. Atakra. Sofo Evans. O hwe music video tie mu asem. Tie mu asem. Atadena ye twa no. Sa angle no. O hwe de o de na wo hia wo Sofo tie nwum tie mu asem pa. Why when he saying, hey, Kevin, dear, oh, she. Abayo and Wessis of Fefe, or the Nkuta for the chest or so, and you be like that. No, to say it is too late. It's too late. Tia Samono Sofo. And I dream Friday, and I do, Ujina will be on A when they say A when they say, or Dan and Oka or 10 a year. When you also wash a day, Mr. Tabra, oh, head the Atakra, oh, head. Oh, and you now buy you and to Papa no Jinicho, shirt better national. Papa no dini chino empobo na hye na ekalaben wo ye sofo nipa bonefo ohina osoro ahime so obewura ho na nko nyame yakwata papa na ogina ne chino no hye chain na so onhye chain empobo hye na empobo akalaben wo ye sofo Friday me yem show me se hye na tie man kasa hwem me se hye tie nyum ni biem gan say it's too late. I feel that Mekaya also Kevin Bessie Busanti. My mission that it's just of my busa. They say, it's oh boy, no she, oh, she branching, no she lays top, and no she black, and no she black Lukuta flowers. A boofu. Uncle heaven also of way. Also of one noche. Uncle heaven da. The wire and a dream. We know why was I would you is here the crab put because oh boy. So one noche. Now, my member be big jamwa. What was our story way? After your marking. I cast 4 minutes in my phone and a Friday. And the air Friday. Now, anti-LGBTQ bill passed in 2024 by 8th Parliament. T. Avenue Mark and Amoakohene. Viviana Bosa Afinomak with Jimmy, when it's Kakare. Anti-LGBT bill passed in 2024 by 8th Parliament, which President Mahama pledged to assent. 2. Must be passed in its original state under this Parliament and transmitted for presidential assent. Minority caucus. Afinomak can LED the minority na omunyina pass a recent bill. No, this is almost say, till minority MP former parliaments. Oh, the 8th Parliament in a tremuno, almost pass sa bill no. And I'll say John Mahama ka say sa bill no beto the nima or best sign it. In the siano, sa bill no and a young famra and not this new bill. One single thing I want to tell the minority is simple. Some will say 8th Parliament bill no yanko famra. Now 8th Parliament no omo pass the bill no omo 9th Parliament in there. So if you want us to use the 8th Parliament bill, then all the MPs who were in the 8th Parliament who passed that bill should be in Parliament today. Because it is beginning to look like you want the 8th Parliament bill to be passed. Now, the people who passed the 8th Parliament bill are not more Parliament in 2024. No? We need all of them in Parliament. But the fact of the case is, now, those people are not in Parliament. The 8th Parliament, whatever was in the 8th Parliament, the day 8th Parliament go, whatever bill that was in the 8th Parliament dies automatically. Now, we have the 9th Parliament made up of new parliamentarians. So the bill has to be presented to the 9th Parliament that is made up of new parliamentarians with different views than the 8th Parliament. The views the 8th Parliament had, the 9th Parliament might not have the same view. In fact, they don't have the same views. That is why when the 8th Parliament dies, every bill that was passed, if it's going to come back to the 9th Parliament, it needs to go through the same process. Now the question here is, when the 9th Parliament came into existence and this bill was reintroduced, the bill went through the process that it went through in the 8th Parliament. The issue here is, when the bill was going through the process, your people who were in the 8th Parliament did not object to the bill going through the 9th Parliament process. So how do you tell us that we should present the 8th Parliament bill for the president to sign? You are stupid. And if that is the case, and that is your argument, then we need every 8th Parliament member of Parliament today in the 9th Parliament. You see, you can't do that. It can never happen. So what do we have to do? We need to deal with the 9th Parliament. And the 9th Parliament said, we are ready. If you reintroduce the bill, you allow the bill to go through the same process the 8th Parliament went through. Unless you want to tell me that the mind of the 8th Parliament is the same mind as the 9th Parliament. The same people who were at the 8th Parliament, are they the same people in the 9th Parliament? No. The people who voted for this bill in the 8th Parliament are not in the 9th Parliament. In fact, 90% of them are not here. So how do you say that we should just bring the 2024 bill? Then we can go back in 2024, every single bill that was not passed or bill that was passed, we have to bring that bill and bring it to 2025 without touching it and then let it go. That is what we can do. If that is your argument, and you go 2024, bill BI pass in 2024, no, yentam sa bill no san frambra 2025. The yentuman pass no, yen fa ensanka, yentam ne fambra, but you are the same people who stand up every day in Parliament to make amendments to bills. There are bills that from 2024 today, they are in 2025. That 2026, that you people are in Parliament trying to amend. Why are you having problems with the 8th Parliament LGBTQ bill? Why don't you want it to be amended in 2026? Why? Because the actors in 2020, the 8th Parliament, are not the same actors in the 9th Parliament. So how do you expect the whole thing to be the same? The parliamentary laws on this country tells us clearly that before you reintroduce a bill, make sure that that bill, you have to understand, does not exist in its original form. That bill has to go through a process, the same process that the bill went through in 2024. So what is it here? The minority are confused. Right now, they don't know whether to tackle the amendment or to tell Ghanaians that they don't want the bill to be signed, or they don't really know what to tackle now. Now, someone can say someone per bill, no. Someone can say someone per president to be sign you. Someone can say they don't know what to say. Because today, we can say the bill was passed in the 8th Parliament, which you know. And then you say, you call back, say, bills na ye pass in 2022, 2023. We are going to relook at the bills, and that yetam na say NDC for our opposing at the bar. Obaka say no, because that bill was passed in 2024. If you are going to reintroduce again, it has to go through the process. Are you going to argue against it? Are you going to say we don't have to look at it? It doesn't have to go through the process. In terms of before, Masem Yunana say for 8th Parliament bill no Embra 2026. Na yema yemfa nsanka. Ya pesa mo kofa 8th Parliament representatives on ho nyina mbra. Because you cannot tell me that you want to carry the same 8th Parliament bill to 9th Parliament without the sponsors, without the representatives who voted. Because in 2024, the people who voted represented Ghanaians. So those people, are they still there? Are you going to bring them to the 9th Parliament? Then go and bring all the MPs who lost their seat to the 9th Parliament to come and repeat the same thing and say, yeah. Then that one, I will agree. Go back to the 8th Parliament, bring the 137 MPP MPs, bring them to the 9th Parliament and let them all say, we all have the same idea. Nothing has changed. Our stance is still the same. Then we can help you say that the 2024 bill needs to be passed today. But if you're not able to provide the people in 2024 who said this is what we think, then don't come in 2026 and say we should basically abide by 2024 decision. No, we need to really look at the decision again, because now as we speak, there are different minds in the 9th Parliament. I didn't pass a 8th Parliament. They be a free. There are new players now, and new players about say about justify any be. So team you ho. Now at the end of the day, team no good. Now say team no yes I better for fra. On can champ say now you old player. Inti sa team no better for fra. On justify. No. What happens is say if there's a club, that's a club ni good. No be better club now. So opposite offer new players. And what happens is say everybody who comes in needs to play justify. You need to justify your inclusion. Unless some person offer old players, but then that's not the new team. It's the same team. If you can do that, we are waiting. If you people can bring the old Parliament, the 8th Parliament, every single member of Parliament who voted in favor or against, bring them to the 9th Parliament, we will agree. Nobody will touch this bill. Nobody. But if you cannot do that, no, everybody needs to justify, because the brains in 2024, there are different brains today. And if Christian Council is listening, all those people screaming and backing, if you people want this 2024 bill to be passed today in its original state, go and bring every single person who was in that chamber in 2024 who basically supported this bill, the old one. Go and bring every single person to the 9th Parliament. If you cannot do that, then you are mad. Then you don't have
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it.